Before we start, let me introduce myself. I think, as such, most of the people that have joined, I've already interacted with you. But my name is Karan Awad. I'm the founder of Decor Spaces, and I was the one who has reached out to most of you with this proposal of the current presentation for VJ Sure. So, what exactly is VJ Sure, and what is the investment proposition that we have? So, we'll be discussing that throughout this presentation. In this presentation with me, we have Mr. Siddesh from VJ team. Siddesh is the sales manager from Vilas Javadekar Group, and he'll be explaining about he's part of the presentation so that he can explain the project as well as take up some question answers specifically which are related to the developer and to the project. Of course, I will also be able to address some of the concerns having been associated with Vilas Javadekar for more than 5 years now. And this is the fourth time we are launching this kind of a project where we have pre-rented units. What that concept of studio apartments and everything is, we'll be covering it in due course of the presentation. First of all, to introduce, I myself come from a background of real estate finance. I'm really specifically mentioning it just because this project is very close to my personal interest. I've been studying real estate, in terms of real estate in REITs or real estate investment trusts. I've been studying co-owning structure, co-living structure. So there are a lot of models in particularly the economics of real estate these days. And this is something which has been very close to me right from my academic times. So that's one of the reasons that I am really attached to this project and this kind of investment vehicle. And let me just, before we discuss about the commercial real estate, let me start with वन बाय वन कंपैरिजन. तो आज की डेट में अगर आप लोगों में से किसी के पास इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए हम लोग के पास एक फंड है, सेविंग्स है या कुछ एक बल्क फंड है which may be from which comes from some kind of asset sale or whatever it is, mutual fund वगैरह में से कुछ हमने जो इनकम कमाया है. So what do most of the people do with their savings? Traditionally, we Indians have been investing our savings in fixed deposits. That is one of the go-to for all of us when it comes to putting in our savings, because it is relatively the lowest in terms of risk associated with the investment, and also it gives you a steady appreciation. But what are the drawbacks of when we look at fixed deposits? One of the major drawbacks is that it doesn't have the annuity feature. That is, annuity का मतलब है कि अगर हम कोई एक अमाउंट किसी एक एसेट में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो can it give us a constant annual return on from the asset apart from its own appreciation? So fixed deposits will appreciate. If I invest 10 lakh rupees in fixed deposit today, I may get a 4 to 5% ka return on investment. But there is no constant steady flow of cash from the asset. My original asset, my original capital invested remains the same. Secondly, there is no option of debt financing. So when we say debt financing, basically लोन लेके हम कभी फिक्स डिपॉजिट में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते क्योंकि लोन का रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ज्यादा रहेगा हमेशा फिक्स डिपॉजिट के रिटर्न से. So no one would do that, and that is one of the drawbacks. You cannot leverage the debt when you're investing in fixed deposits. There is no tax advantage as well. That is, now I know some people will say कि fixed deposits में tax advantage होता है, but then the investment period is very large. You have to stay invested for at least 5 years or so. So that is one of the major challenges when we speak of fixed deposits. What is the more, I would say, decades या 10-15 साल पहले उसका एक alternative fund. So people started investing proactively in mutual funds because they were also giving tax advantage. You could actually leverage the strength of coming together as a pool of fund and then appoint an asset manager who takes care of your funds. You enjoy the appreciation out of it, and it is really giving you a constant, significantly better appreciations. But again, the challenge here is you cannot do debt finance. You don't get an annual constant return from your investment. What is the third investment then? Third case is shares and SIPs. This is more of full-time investors game where investors will be sharing, where you will be investing in shares of particular companies, or you will be investing in SIPs, equity-linked investments basically. And the challenge here is you get you'll get some annuity. When I say some annuity, it is basically the dividend that the company is sharing. It is very low, but okay, you still get some annuity out of your share investments. Here also you cannot leverage that. Tax advantage यहाँ पे भी नहीं है, and liquidity है. Capital appreciation is very high, but at the same time the risks associated are also very high. So if you look at it, अभी on the day of lockdown, I remember I myself have invested in shares, and my shares came back to the value of 5 years back. Mutual fund shares, SIPs, everything went down to 5 years back. That is the risk associated when we say shares, because अपना share price is highly volatile. Market, it is completely market driven. तो अपना जो valuation है, that is not under our control. एक दिन में अपना शेयर का प्राइस कोलैप्स हो जा सकता है, and that is one of the high risk associated when we say of shares and SIPs. So coming finally to commercial real estate, that is something very close to me, and I'll not say this just because I come from that background, but because I have studied financing in all these different asset classes. And commercial real estate ka best part is, one, it will give you a constant cash flow through the rental income. Secondly, you can leverage debt. What that does that mean? अगर आज आप 50 लाख का कोई प्रॉपर्टी लेते हो, तो आपके पास 10 लाख रुपए है तो भी काफी है. Rest of the 40 lakhs you can leverage in the form of debt, and in future whenever you sell it, आपका जो debt component है, it is not going to be part of the sell value. So आपने आगे जाके उसको 70 लाख में भी बेच दिया तो भी लेवरेज जो डेट था 40 लाख का वो उतना ही रहेगा, उसमें से इनफैक्ट कम हो जाएगा. सो प्रॉफिट में से आपका जो मल्टीप्लायर होता है आपके 10 लाख के इन्वेस्टमेंट में आता है. दैट इज वन ऑफ द ब्यूटी ऑफ डेट लेवरेजिंग कि आपका योर रिटर्न्स आर दे ग्रो एक्सपोनेंशियली. Then there is that long-term capital gains tax advantage because of indexation. You can take good advantage of tax. When it comes to liquidating your asset, when you get profit out of it, LTCG की वजह से या indexing की वजह से you can get your taxation is very very low. Liquidity नहीं है. I mean that is actually again some people look at it as a drawback. I look at it as one of the good things because liquidity नहीं है तो आपका fund भी saved है. क्योंकि अगर जब कोई भी एसेट लिक्विड है, जैसे ये तीनों एसेट लिक्विड है, बट द चैलेंज इज कि इस केस में उसका वोलेटिलिटी भी बढ़ जाता है. व्हेन द एसेट इज लिक्विड ऑटोमेटिकली वोलेटिलिटी बढ़ जाती है. यहाँ पे एडवांटेज ये है कि बिकॉज इट इज नॉट सो लिक्विड, आप अगर आपको लॉस हो रहा है तो आप बेचोगे ही नहीं. यू विल ऑलवेज सेल इट व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग अ गुड रिटर्न ऑन योर इन्वेस्टमेंट, एंड दैट इज व्हाई देयर इज लिमिटेड लिक्विडिटी. इफ यू सेल इट एट एनी प्राइस, मतलब मार्केट जो प्राइस आपको बोल रहा है उस पर बेचोगे तो लिक्विडिटी मिलेगा, बट देन देयर इज नॉट इनफ रिटर्न ऑन योर इन्वेस्टमेंट. दैट इज वन ऑफ द aspects of liquidity. और capital appreciation in a steady market 6 से 8% मैं बोल रहा हूँ, बट अगर आप लॉन्ग टर्म में देखोगे तो रियल एस्टेट डज नॉट ग्रो इन अ लीनियर स्केल. मतलब आप 7 साल 10 साल प्रॉपर्टी रखने के बाद में देखोगे प्रॉपर्टी ऑलवेज मतलब 2 times 3 times ऐसे होता है. इट डजंट स्केल अप इन अ लीनियर वे, बट टू गिव यू एन आइडिया, approximately 6 to 8% is what you can expect annual appreciation from a real estate property. So the risk is also moderate. That is one of the best parts of real estate, commercial real estate specifically. Just to recap, सबसे पहले commercial real estate से एक passive rental income you can earn. What does passive rental income mean? It means you don't have to actively work for it. आपने एक property बना लिया, उसमें से rental income consistently आ रहा है. You can grow your ROIs exponentially using debt, क्योंकि आपका अगर total investment 50 लाख है, उसमें से आपको 20 या 30% ही करना है. So your actual investment is very low. Your theoretical return on investment is going to be much higher as compared to investing actual 50 lakhs in any asset. Third thing is tax advantage. Again, as I was discussing, LTCG में आपको long term capital gains में indexation की वजह से काफी benefits हो जाते हैं when we look at the tax returns that you will be paying when you sell this property. And fourth, capital appreciation. So again, आपको rental income आ रहा है, that is one source of income, but the property itself is also appreciating. So when we look at it, there is a twofold income in a commercial real estate property, which automatically takes your returns to the next level. VJ Shore Town Center. So this is the next project that we are talking of. This project is from Vilas Javadekar Group. It is this project is going to be in Wakad near Bhumkar Chowk. We have Siddesh with us who will be who can guide us through this project. So I'll just ask him to take the presentation from here forward. Siddesh, can you take up from here? Hello, Siddesh, can you hear me? I think there's some network issues. I'm sorry. Yeah, so this is the location of the project. I hope most of you are aware of Pune as a location. So Pune as a city. So this is Bhumkar Chowk in Wakad. This is the Pune-Bangalore highway. When you're coming, this side is Mumbai and this side is Bangalore. Baner, Wakad is on this side. From Bhunkar Chowk, when you go towards Mumbai, there's this Indira College where the where buses from Mumbai will be stopping. And from the highway, hardly at 100-150 meters, we have the project over here, which is Vilas Javadekkar's town center. Town center is a commercial project. I think Siddesh is now back on. So Siddesh, you can take forward from here.
Okay, so am I audible to you now?
Yeah, you're audible.
I am audible. Okay, could you please give me an option of sharing the screen, or you can take it from your end?
Yeah, you can continue in this presentation. So I'll just take the slides next. You can just tell me.
Yeah. So basically, I believe everybody, I'm audible to everyone right here. So like we see,
Yeah.
So like we see in this entire map, you have this Grand Central Happiness Street. These are one of the most prominent projects that we have done in the lockdown, and successfully we could sell around 1,000 units, which we did in the lockdown. That was only over the phone. And the investors, the people who actually bought units from us, most of them are young investors. There are people who have been investing for the very first time, because this concept where you get an assured rental every month is something that has amazed all our customers. Secondly, one more important thing, I was just going through what Karan was actually saying. I would really appreciate, because see, this is something where this is a tangible product. It's a tangible product. You can touch, feel, and see as how it is appreciating. And yes, at the same time, along with the capital appreciation, you are also getting an appreciation in terms of the rental. So for this particular project, if I have to talk about the town center thing, after every 3 years, there will be an appreciation of 15%. Yes. So this key distances, yes, this is one of the most important things I would say. So schools, colleges, malls, nearby areas, hospitals. This is something that which is very important for us to know, because this is how we will be commuting. So this comes in a very prime location. Town center is like just 2 minutes away from the main highway, which will get you connected with the Mumbai Pune expressway. So Indira College is one of the most famous colleges for science and commerce. But right behind this college is our new project, which is called as Town Center. Karan, could you please take it to the next slide? Okay, so 10 reasons why Sure Units with VJ is the best choice. Low ticket price. When we talk about the low ticket price, yes, I would want to tell you about the investment that we have for this particular project. It's going to be 26 lakhs. So you see, the investment that we are doing initially is less, and the returns that we will be getting later on for the next 10 years are going to be amazing. Sell assist for the next 5 years. So VJ has this kind of a signature service where we assist the customer in selling the property that they have taken from VJ. You have exclusive benefits also. You get assured monthly rental, like we just spoke about it. 11,925 is an assured rental that you will start getting after the possession, and this will appreciate to 15% after every 3 years. Okay, limited edition. Yes, there are very limited units. So in this particular project, that's in town center, we have approximately 400 units which will be a part of this project. Pre-lease property, yes, we have a company which is called as Stanza Living. So it's a property management company who is going to take care of your entire property for the next 10 years, starting from your electricity bills, your water bills, or the maintenance related to any of your units will be taken care by the Stanza Living company. Next slide, please. Karan? Okay, so One Avenue Hinjawadi. So this is one project that we did in the phase one of Hinjawadi, and this, yes, again, this was one of the best selling projects. We sold it in the pandemic though. Most of the customers, they just took information about the phone, and like I said, that this is a project which is very catchy. Yashwin Hinjawadi, this is one project. Next slide. Happiness Street, again, a similar project that we sold. This is in phase two. Next. Grand Central, yes, this is one of the best located. So Hinjewadi phase 1, Hinjewadi phase 2, and the Grand Central thing. All three locations are prime locations. Wakad Central, Grand Central Wakad, this is located where the next Phoenix Market City mall has been expected. And this Phoenix Market City mall will be bigger than what we have seen in Viman Nagar. So again, it is in the center of the city. This was also one of the projects that we sold in the lockdown. Town Center Wakad. Yes, this is the ongoing project that we have recently launched, and this is how it will look. So just to give you a brief on the entire project, it's going to be a 13-story building that will have 34 service apartments. That's a co-living service apartment, which will be there on every floor, 34 units. The entire project comes under Wakad area, okay, for the PCMC location, and 400 units which are available right now. So this is a typical floor plan. If you can see, there are 34 units which are placed very smartly. You have a good space between both the units also. There are few units which will be facing towards the highway area. So from every location, or from the every floor plan, if you see, all the four sides, you have all premium locations around you. This is the one which is a typical unit plan. So 275 is going to be the total built up carpet area, and 185 is going to be the livable carpet area. So this is something that we have come up with. Now I would want to know from our customers what are the questions that they have regarding the project. So yes, 275 square feet.
Yeah, before we take questions, Siddesh, I'll be running through some of the presentation, and at the end I'll questions.
Absolutely.
So just to summarize what this project is about, we have, as Siddesh has already mentioned, we have around 400 units, 34 units per floor of 275 square feet sellable area. We have, I mean, in terms of the costing, if you go with the 30% down payment offer, the total package price for this is going to be 26 lakhs, 25.95 lakhs, with an assured rent of almost 12,000 per month for the first 3 years. You have no pre-EMI offer, that is, you only have to pay 30% before 31st of December, and then your EMI still, your possession will be completely reimbursable. Once you take your possession, आपका possession शुरू होते से जिस दिन आपका possession मिलता है, मतलब जब से आपका rental शुरू होता है तब से आपका full EMI शुरू होगा. तब तक का जो pre EMI जो होता है interest component, वो आपको reimburse कर दिया जाएगा. So you only have to pay 8 lakhs as down payment. उसके बाद का जो भी अमाउंट बैंक से डिसबर्समेंट आ रहा है उसको आपको जो भी इंटरेस्ट लगेगा दैट विल बी रीइंबर्स्ड बाय द डेवलपर अगेन. दिस इज इफ यू गो विद द 30% डाउन पेमेंट ऑफर. सम पीपल हैव कम अप एंड आस्क्ड अस कि इसमें डिस्काउंट नेगोशिएशन. सो विलास जावड़ेकर, आई हैव बीन वर्किंग फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम एंड आई कैन टेल यू दे नेवर नेगोशिएट. प्लस इन अ कमर्शियल इन्वेस्टमेंट काइंड ऑफ एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर कि उसमें ट्रांसपेरेंसी हो. The moment you start negotiating, one person gets advantage over the other, and you are at, I mean, you the investor is at loss, क्योंकि अगर किसी ने आपसे सस्ते में खरीदा है तो उसको रिटर्न्स उतने ज्यादा मिल रहे हैं. So it is always better that everyone gets the same price. But for those who are willing to make an additional 20%, so if you are making 50% down payment, you will straight away get a discount of 2 lakh rupees. In this case, आपको no pre-EMI वाला ऑफर नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन आपको सीधा 2 लाख 6 lakhs का पैकेज है. That comes to 24 lakh rupees. You have to make a down payment of 12 lakhs before 31st December, and आपका 2 लाख रुपया सीधा सीधा आपके एग्रीमेंट, I mean, टोटल पैकेज में से डिडक्ट हो जाएगा. In both the cases, you don't have to pay any maintenance charge. So 12,000 जो आपको रेंट आने वाला है पहले 3 साल के लिए, that is going to be 100% yours. There won't be deductions on it. कोई मेंटेनेंस चार्ज नहीं पे करना है, कोई वैकेंसी लॉसेस नहीं है. So when I say vacancy losses, it essentially means कि आपका particular unit rented out है या नहीं है, that doesn't matter. You still get rent from the operator, that is from Stanza. You will consistently get a rental income. You also have 15% increment every 3 years. So पहले 3 साल आपको 12,000 है, आगे के 3 साल आप देखेंगे 15% से होता है. उसके और 3 साल मतलब 6 years after possession, your rental is going to be somewhere in the range of 16,000 approximately. So if you look at it, it is actually more than 6% ROI if you hold out for a longer period. How much exactly it is, that also we have determined, but I'll get to that later. This basically, the point of this investment is where you don't have to take any hassles. आपको ना प्रॉपर्टी मेंटेन करना है, ना आपको उधर मैनेज करना है, आपको बस इन्वेस्ट करना है, पोजीशन लेना है, पोजीशन के दिन से आपको रेंटल इनकम आपका कमाना है. It's as simple as that. Which payment plan to 2% and 50%, and there are people who ask me कि 100% देंगे तो क्या होगा. I have created a model for it, and then I came up with this graph which clearly shows if you are going for a small time investment, you can see both 50% and 30% will give you more or less the same returns. If you look at it from a time frame of 3 years after possession, that is almost 5 to 5.5 years from now, you can clearly see 50% is getting slightly better returns than 30%. And over the longer period, 50% investment will give you much better return on your investment. 50% down payment will give you better returns on your investment than the 30% one. इसका पूरा डिटेल फाइनेंशियल मॉडल मेरे पास है. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू गो थ्रू दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट, गेट इन कॉन्टैक्ट. वी कैन डू अ वन-ऑन-वन वीसी, बिकॉज वेबिनार पे एक्सप्लेन करना काफी मुश्किल होगा मेरे लिए. वन-ऑन-वन वीसी पे आई विल बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन हाउ एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिटर्न्स यू कैन एस्टिमेट. This is more of an estimate and more of calculated returns than a guesswork. So that is, again, I'll tell you this. This is something which I have been working and came up with this model specifically for this kind of an investment from Javadekars, because I want to create that advantage in each of the buyer and have that clarity of thought कि आज अगर मैं invest कर रहा हूँ, so what are my expected returns and how I can achieve them. That thought has to be very clear. And for those who have been asking me कि अगर हम 100% down payment करते हैं तो क्या होगा, तो you can actually see 100% डाउन पेमेंट इज नॉट अ गुड ऑप्शन इन रियल एस्टेट. क्योंकि आप अगर डेट को लेवरेज नहीं करेंगे, आप अगर लोन लेवरेजमेंट नहीं लेते हो, तो यू आर एक्चुअली गोइंग टू जनरेट फार लेसर रिटर्न ऑन योर इन्वेस्टमेंट देन यू डू बाय यूजिंग डेट. दैट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट फैक्टर्स व्हाई आई केप्ट सेइंग कि रियल एस्टेट का एडवांटेज है जहां पे आप लोन का एडवांटेज ले सकते हो. हैविंग सेड दैट, जो ये 50% डाउन पेमेंट करके अगर आप 5 साल तक रहते हो इस इन्वेस्टमेंट में, तो क्या रिटर्न्स एस्टिमेट कर सकते हो. So this is what we have calculated. Approximately 2.5 times आपका returns generate होता है. Total cash flow after 5 years of possession, if you sell this property, will be approximately 30 lakhs, 29 to 30 lakhs. आपका इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट माइनस करके आपके रेंटल वगैरह सब एक नेट वैल्यू लेता हो, तो आप 12 लाख के इन्वेस्टमेंट में आज से 6 से 7 साल में यू कैन अर्न मतलब 17 से 18 लाख आपका नेट प्रॉफिट होगा. नेट प्रॉफिट आई एम सेइंग एक्सक्लूडिंग योर इनिशियल इन्वेस्टमेट. अगर आप कोई भी एसेट देखेंगे, दिस विल कम टू अप्रोक्सीमेटली द रिटर्न्स दैट आई एम स्पीकिंग ऑफ इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 18%, almost 18% annual returns over a period of 7 to 8 years is unmatched, especially looking at current market जहाँ पे. And this is another thing, this is a estimate which has been done very carefully. इसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई market fluctuations है या कुछ है. This is entirely based on what returns you are getting, which are assured. जो rental income आपका confirm है. So all these things are assured because we are doing it in calculated way. That is the percent का नुकसान हो सकता है. That will be also as part of the liquidity that you are looking at, not because the asset is not valuation. Asset की valuation की वजह से नहीं होगा. So also another question a lot of people have is कि why not invest in a residential flat? Why should I? So just to give you an idea, आज अगर आप वाकड़ में कहीं पे भी एक 1 BHK देखते हैं, तो उसका रेंटल आपको आएगा approximately 13,000 rupees on a well maintained society, in a well maintained society, जिसमें आपको टेनेंट ढूंढने के लिए 1 महीने का ब्रोकरेज पे करना है, which is the property management fee, जिसमें आपको सोसाइटी मेंटेनेंस पे करना है 3,000 रुपए, 2,500 से 3,000 रुपए मेंटेनेंस आज किसी भी सोसाइटी में, जहाँ पे आपका मिनिमम प्राइस 1 BHK का वाकड़ में अप्रोक्स 45 lakhs है ऑल इंक्लूसिव. When we compare all these factors, आपका जो रेंट टू प्राइस है, जिसे हम एक्चुअली कैप रेट कहते हैं, in terms of investment language we call it cap rate, this is going to be ROI of hardly 2 to 3%. When we say of sure units, you can clearly see आपका रेंटल यहाँ पे 12,000 है, जो वैसे भी इंक्रीज होने वाला है हर 3 साल में. आपको कोई ब्रोकरेज नहीं पे करना है, आपको कोई मेंटेनेंस नहीं पे करना है. Your ticket size is almost of what 1 BHK cost. So your returns are more than almost 3 times of what we are seeing here. And best part, आपका फ्लैट अभी lot of people saw this, lot of investors, traditional investors saw this कि लॉकडाउन हुआ, काफी सारे जो टेनेंट्स थे वो छोड़ के अपने अपने होम टाउन चले गए. 2-2 3-3 महीना अपना फ्लैट खाली है. What happens when 2-3 महीना भी अगर आपका फ्लैट खाली रहता है, it is a huge loss in terms of your return that you're going to generate. यहाँ पे बेस्ट पार्ट, नो वैकेंसी लॉसेस. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, आपका यूनिट स्पेसिफिकली जो आपने खरीदा है वो रेंटेड है या नहीं, डजंट मैटर, आपको रेंट आता रहेगा. सो दिस इज प्योरली योर कैश फ्लो दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट एवरी ईयर ऑन ईयर बेसिस. मैं सिर्फ एफडी से भी कंपेयर करूं तो इट इज स्टिल बेटर, क्योंकि एफडी भी आज आप देखोगे 4 से 5% से ज्यादा रिटर्न्स नहीं दे रहा है. आपका सिर्फ रेंट उतना रहने वाला है. प्रॉपर्टी अप्रिसिएशन इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट. एंड देन स्टैंजा. So again, as a investor, you would want to know कि जो tenant है, जो जिनसे आपको rent आने वाला है, वो company कौन है. तो Stanza is this I'm extracting from Crunchbase, which is one of the top companies who analyzes each and every startup. तो आप देख सकते हो 2017 में ये कंपनी स्टार्ट हुआ था. इसके फाउंडर्स है मिस्टर अनिंद्य दत्ता एंड मिस्टर संदीप दालमिया. मोर देन 250 एम्प्लॉयज की कंपनी है. They have more than 550 crores total funding. You can see more than 70 crores, and this image I had taken before their latest round of funding. So उनका total funding जो है that is more around 525 crore. उसके बाद में they have recently received another 40 crores in December 2019. So a company that is almost 600 crores in valuation is going to take your units on rent from you. So you can be assured कि वो कहीं पे जाने नहीं वाले. They are one of the Stanza is profitable at unit level, and they have the aim of reaching to 1 lakh beds. 1 lakh beds is a huge number. They are, if I'm not wrong, they are something around 40-50,000 as of now. Pune mein unka already they have taken up 1,000. I mean, as Siddesh mentioned, Vilas Javadekar have sold more than 1,000 units in the last 3 launches. Here you have another 400 units. So they have enough requirement. आपको कोई लोड लेने, कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है कि मेरे यूनिट में कल को स्टैंडा चलेगा या उन्होंने एग्रीमेंट रिन्यू नहीं किया तो हम क्या करेंगे. इवन इन दैट केस दीज यूनिट्स आर सैंक्शनड एज कमर्शियल ऑफिसेस. तो आगे चल के आपको कभी भी आफ्टर 10 years of this agreement, if you want to sell, you will be able to sell it as a commercial space, not as a residential या studio apartment. So उसका appreciation and demand हमेशा रहने वाला है. Coming to some of the typical questions. So I'll quickly try and wrap this up so that I can take questions from your end. सबसे पहले lot of people ask rental income कब चालू होगा. So of course it will start immediately after possession, that is June 2023, almost 2.5 years from now. How many projects have been launched previously? So as we saw in the presentation, we have completed 3, we have taken bookings for 3 projects. These were launched some 3 to 4 months back, one by one. 2 projects in Hinjewadi and 1 project in Wakad. Can I sell the unit before 10 years? So yes, obviously this property is entirely yours. The moment you do your registered agreement of sell deed to buy, you have you're the owner of this property. It's like an apartment only, except that ये pre-leased है. तो property आपका है, आप जब चाहे इसे बेच सकते हैं. Can I rent out the property to someone else? This option we haven't kept. The reason being, आपको अगर आप चाहते हो मैं किसी और को, मतलब मेरे हिसाब से किसी को रेंट करना चाहूँ, so you have enough commercial properties to buy. You can buy an apartment on rent yourself, but then the hassles and the returns are not going to be as lucrative as we can see here. The best part here is आपको कुछ करना ही नहीं है, आपको बस property लेना है. That is it. You keep getting rental day in day out. So I don't see any reason why you would want to find someone else to occupy your place when the tenant themselves are doing good. What if the unit I purchase is not rented? So again, as I mentioned, there is no vacancy loss. Irrespective of whether your specific unit is rented or not, you still get 100% rental that is committed to you. And what is the booking procedure? So you can do a booking simply online. You can, I mean, there's no need to visit. It's not like physically आके कुछ करना है. You can do it online. You have an entire process of balance payment before 31st December. So आप अगर 50% ऑफ ऑफर के साथ जाते हो तो आपको 12 लाख रुपीस, 30% डाउन पेमेंट तो आपको 8 लाख. With that, I'll just end the presentation. We'll start with the question answers. If you have queries, we have a Q&A tab each of you can see. I request you can just put your queries in Q&A so that I can start addressing one by one. So what after 10 years? This is not a commercial property like shop, so it will be difficult to sell such property which can't be used as shop. Uh, okay, let me answer this live. So, sir, if you look around Pune, there are so many properties which are not shops, and yet every property sells in a very lucrative price. आप इसको एक शॉप, आप ट्रेडिशनल इन्वेस्टर सोचता है कि मैं शॉप ले लूंगा, कुछ नहीं तो खुद वहां कुछ डाल दूंगा, नहीं तो बिक तो जाएगा, बट एक्चुअली शॉप बेचना बहुत ज्यादा होता है, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी आज आप देखेंगे हर तरह की चीज ऑनलाइन मिलती है. पीपल आर रेयरली गोइंग आउट फॉर शॉप्स. शॉप्स का रेंटल भी आप देखेंगे तो बहुत कम होता जा रहा है कंपेयर टू द प्राइस. बेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट दीज डेज आर एक्चुअली ऑफिसेस. और इस यूनिट का 10 साल के बाद अगर आप मुझसे पूछते हो तो लेट मी गिव यू एन एक्सप्लेनेशन. दीज आर ऑफिसेस विद अटैच वॉशरूम. आप सीए, लॉयर, डेंटिस्ट, you can see photographers, you can have it for architects, interior designers. So there are n number of possibilities who will be interested to occupy this place. Okay, I have some questions in the chat. I hope this question was answered. Commercial property होना is actually an advantage. Shops ही commercial होता है ऐसा नहीं है. Offices are also commercial properties, and I can, as a seasoned investor, I can tell you offices are much better in terms of investment than a shop is. I personally would never invest in a shop than in an office as compared to an office. No vacancies. Okay, let me start. Why in the future? Mr. Ramanathan is asking why such a low area, because these are studio apartments. So if you look at commercial offices in Pune or in any city, typically smaller units are really comfortable for renovation also in future. आज आप अगर एक 500 स्क्वायर फीट का स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट या 1 BHK बनाते हो, उसको बेचना उतना ही मुश्किल है, बिकॉज प्राइस इज गोइंग टू बी हायर. यहाँ पे आप छोटा यूनिट लीजिए, उसको बेचते समय भी आपको उतना ही एडवांटेज रहेगा. No vacancy. Mr. Sumit is asking whether we have no vacancies option for all 9 years. Yes, sir, it is for all 9 years as far as I understand, but I'll still confirm you on that. It is going to be for the entire duration. We already have the agreement in. Mr. Nitin is asking, can we use after as a kitchen after 10 years? So yes, Nitin sir, of course you can. As I mentioned, it's a commercial space which is all yours. If you want to do, I mean, whatever you want to use it as, you can use it as a cloud kitchen. Totally, you can do that because it is commercial mentioned already. Mr. Ronak is asking, is the plan passed? Yes, it is all plan passed. This is, as I mentioned, completely sanctioned as a commercial property with RERA registration as well. So you don't have to worry about any of the. Who is the sanctioning on Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation? Can we get PMYJ benefits? I don't think so, because this is commercial property. So Pradhan Mantri PMYJ, no, PMAY, I believe you were asking about Awas Yojana, and Awas Yojana is only for residential, not for commercial properties. Any other questions that anyone has? See, I'll tell you very honestly, हमने 800 यूनिट्स पिछली बार, मतलब पहले 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स में लॉन्च किए, एंड लॉन्च के विद इन कपल ऑफ डेज में ये प्रोजेक्ट्स, मतलब ये फ्लैट्स बिक जाते हैं. द सिंपल रीजन बीइंग, आप कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी, अगर आप चलो प्रॉपर्टी छोड़ दो, आप कहीं पे भी इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहते हो, आप शेयर्स भी खरीदना चाहते हो, तो जो चीज अच्छी है, जो चीज क्लियर है, जिसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है, वो चीज खरीदना, आप उसमें there is nothing to be confused with. So if you still have questions, अभी क्लियर कीजिए, take this, do not miss this opportunity. मैंने आज सुबह से already, before we did the webinar itself, we have sold more than 10 units in today's time. जब से launch किया है weekend से, तब से हमने 38 bookings already ले लिया. So Sachin sir is asking if we have any tie-ups with banks. So any bank you want, we already have done the loan approvals. Down payment offer of 30%. We would have to request to go with ICICI and HDFC, because that offer is available only with these two banks. How much is the lease agreement duration with the company duration? Lease agreement is for 9 years, sir. Uh, yeah, lease agreement is for 10 years and with 3 years of incremental clause. Any other questions? Okay. What about there will be ample. We have 2 levels of basement as parking, but none of the parkings will be sold. So let me be very clear. These are all going to be pay and park kind of facilities for the society. So that because first of all, for the first 9 years, 10 years, whenever this is going to be occupied by Stanza, all those who are going to stay here are mostly going to be people who occupy two-wheelers, and owners will be having stickers, but they won't be a dedicated parking sold with each unit. We won't be selling any parkings. Which bank offer from ICICI and HDFC? So ICICI and HDFC, the bank offer that I mentioned. Let me return to that. Mentioning with no pre-EMI. So this is the offer that I'm mentioning, no pre-EMI till possession for 30% down payment. That is the offer that we have with ICICI and HDFC. If I choose 50% down payment option, then when will I have to pay remaining 50%? So remaining 50% will be as per the construction link. It will be construction link. As and when the slabs progress, you'll have to make the payments to the developer. You can also take loan for the balance 50%. So it is going to be entirely up to you how you want to finance it. But it will be stage wise spread over the next 2 years, 2.5 years. 50% आप December 31st तक दे दोगे, उसके बाद में आगे के 2.5 साल में आपको बैलेंस 50% देना है. So you have ample time. If you want, you can take bank loan, or else you can finance it yourself also. Any other questions anyone has? So I'll also put in my number here in the chat box so that anyone has a question, you can directly call me. I'll also put in number of my teammates so that in case if you're not able to reach me, you can always reach out to my colleagues.
Helmet घातलंय.
Anybody has still more questions? I think we have addressed most of the questions and concerns initially itself. And again, जैसे मैंने बोला था, this is a very straightforward investment opportunity. But if still anyone has a question, again मैंने अपने numbers share किए हैं. Please feel free to call us. We'll be more than happy to close this, because we also don't want to keep it. I don't want कि आपको पसंद आए, आप सोच रहे हो और देन उसके बाद में जब आप डिसीजन ले रहे हो तब तक हमारे पास कुछ बचा नहीं है. Mr. Sumit is asking whether so the units will start from 3rd floor and 2 levels parking. So Sumit sir, let me explain you. I'll first show you the elevation for that to answer this, because that will be much easier, I think. So ground and first are commercial shops. This will be mostly leased out to high-end retail outlets like KFC or some shopping mart, something like that. So ये जो 2 levels है, ये अपने commercial shops showrooms रहेंगे. These are 15 feet high. So technically अपना जो ये first floor है, this will be equivalent to 3rd floor, because 30 feet की height पे ये चले जाता है. But in terms of nomenclature, this is ground, first, second, third. First, second, third, fourth, this wise. So आपका जो parking है वो basement के अंदर है. It's not going to be on the ground levels. So our building is going to be total 13 floors above the showrooms. I hope that answers your question. Okay, I think that should be it. Thank you everyone for your time. I really appreciate everyone who has joined us, and I really hope that most of you do get in contact with me over the call. If you from the beginning, I will also be uploading this video on YouTube, so you can catch it on our YouTube channel and get the information that you missed out on. Or simply सबसे simple चीज ये है, आप मुझे call कर लीजिए. We can get over the call. आपके सारे doubts clear करके we can immediately close a unit for you. Again, very simple and very beautiful investment opportunity for a very limited period of time. So अपने पास ज्यादा यूनिट्स नहीं है, ROI काफी क्लियर है. ये जो प्राइस ऑफर है, अगेन आई थिंक समथिंग व्हिच इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट दैट आई मेंशन टू वे टू मेंशन, जो प्राइस ऑफर्स हमने अभी दिया है, दीज आर ओनली अवेलेबल टिल दिवाली. दिवाली के बाद में ये प्राइसेस चेंज होने वाली है एंड ऑफर्स विल आल्सो नॉट बी एप्लीकेबल. सो जो नो प्रीमियम ऑफर है वो दिवाली के बाद में नहीं अवेलेबल होगा. सो प्लीज डू टेक योर डिसीजन एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल. Also, we have limited units, so I look forward to hearing from you guys. Thank you again for your time. Thank you, Siddesh, for joining us.
Welcome,
we'll
welcome,
end this.
Karan. Welcome, Karan. Welcome.
Thank you.